Alright guys, in this video we're gonna go over how you can deposit money into Oanda. So first you have to log in. You can use the Oanda website or the mobile app, and you want to log into your trading account. Make sure you are not signing into a demo account. You will then find the deposit section in the dashboard. You want to look for deposit or funding, and then you gotta choose your payment method. You have options such as credit or debit card. You have bank transfers, and also you have PayPal or Skrill depending on the region. Now the fourth step will be entering the amount. You want to type how much you want to deposit, confirm the details. You want to double check the currency, fees, and the method, and you will then submit the deposit. You want to click on deposit or continue and follow the on-screen steps such as bank login, card verification, etc. Then you gotta wait for processing. Cards and e-wallets are usually instant, but bank transfers can take 1 to 3 business days. Then you want to make sure you check your balance. Once the funds arrive, they'll show in your Oanda account and you will be ready to trade. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.